Hello everyone, welcome back. So, fire update. We've pushed the starter button on the car for the first time in many years, and I'll put in the video now what happened. We didn't get a chance to spin the gearbox and diff and all that up. A few little issues have popped up once we did fire the car. So I'll show you on a video now how it all went down, and then I'll come back and explain what we found at the end of it. All right, so she makes a beautiful sound. Not that that was ever in doubt. You may have picked up in the video, there's a fairly serious vacuum leak there somewhere. So we're just investigating that at the moment. We know where the leak's coming from. We've just got to, I guess, work out why it's happening. When we pulled the engine apart originally, there was some wiring off the fuel injection system that was pinched under the rocker covers, and it was creating a fairly serious vacuum leak. Now, it looked, obviously someone had been in there previously trying to fix it and fiddling around, so we've put it all back how it should have been, but there's still obviously a bit of a gremlin there somewhere. So we're going to talk to some people during the week, try and get a bit of an understanding what we can do to rectify the issue, and then once that's done, we'll then work on firing it up properly and getting some good temp in it, and run it through the gearbox, gears and diff, and make sure there's no leaks or anything there. So she has made some noise for the first time in many years. Not completely faultless, but we'll get into it and work on the next steps. And once that's done, we'll fire it up properly and share that with you. But hopefully, for now, that's just the beginning of some exciting videos to come. So thank you. We'll speak with you soon.